the North Island Naval Base here on Coronado, and we're in the DLA section for the F-35 components. The important thing about the F-35 program is that the F-35 is the jet for the future. For DLA, we store the components before they're sent and repaired at the FRC site here on the Coronado base. I'm part Samoan, so a lot of our gatherings are based around food. I've always seen my family gather together and make like big batches of food and plates. So I'll go to work and then I'll come home and I'll start cooking dinner, and then I start to feel more joyful. I usually cook with my mom. For a coworker, I always recommend to have something outside of work going on. When I feed it to my family and they're like, ooh, this is good. So that's usually when other people tell me they enjoy it. That's when I know I'm doing a good job.